Albert and Grid both help users improve short-term cash flow, but they solve different problems. Albert combines cash advances with digital banking and personal finance tools, while Grid focuses on paycheck advances and helping users manage income between pay periods. By the end of this video, you'll know where each app stands, who should choose Albert, who should choose Grid, and which one offers the better overall experience. If you want a broader financial app that includes banking, budgeting, and cash advances in one place, Albert is generally the stronger choice. If your priority is managing irregular cash flow and accessing advances when needed, Grid may be the better fit. Start with cash advances. Both apps allow eligible users to request money before payday, but neither guarantees approval. You'll need to connect your bank account, meet each app's eligibility requirements, and maintain qualifying account activity. The amount you're offered depends on your individual financial profile rather than a fixed amount available to every user. The biggest difference is everything beyond the advance. Albert is designed to be an everyday financial companion. Along with cash advances, it offers banking-related services and tools that help users track spending, manage their finances, and organize their money in one app. If you prefer using a single platform for daily financial management, Albert has the advantage. Grid takes a different approach. Instead of trying to replace your primary financial app, it focuses on helping users smooth out their income between paychecks. That makes it especially useful for people whose earnings or expenses change from one pay period to the next. If cash flow management is your biggest challenge, Grid's feature set may be more valuable than having a broader banking experience. Another factor is how quickly you can receive funds. Both apps provide transfer options, but actual delivery depends on your bank, your account status, and the method you select. Before requesting an advance, check the estimated delivery time inside the app so you know when the money is expected to arrive. Think about your long-term needs as well. If you expect to use financial tools every day, Albert offers a more complete experience. If you mainly want occasional advances while keeping your income organized, Grid is a practical alternative. Here's the bottom line. Albert is the better all-around app for users who want banking features, budgeting tools, and cash advances in one place. Grid is a better match for users focused on managing paycheck timing and short-term cash flow. Before signing up, compare each app's current eligibility requirements, transfer methods, and membership terms so you know what to expect. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward financial app comparisons.